Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Following that, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!